everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be showing you my dog's tricks. Penny, up. Some tricksies.
All right. So the basic. Hi. So I'm gonna be filming, and I'm also gonna be doing some of the tricks. But so first category would be like basic commands like sit, lie down, stay, and come. So.
Okay, Penny, come, sit, lay down. Good girl.
Now do stay and walk around the basement.
Sit, stay. Good girl. Yeah, that wasn't very good. Take it. Take it.
Yes. So and then she has some more like important like puppy skills like leave it, take it, up, get off, like things like that. So we'll show you those so she knows leave it really well. This is a really important trick to teach your dog, especially at a young age, because they will eat anything they find on the floor, and it's just really good to teach them like self-control. She's very good at listening to not. She's good self-control. So.
Ready, Penny? See the treat?
Leave it. Yeah, so another thing we taught her was focus. So every time that she's not doing something, she looks at us.
Oh, good girl.
Which is really good for her focusing on, it's not really a trick, but it is a command. So, Penny, focus. Good girl. It's good for like when there's a distracting situation and you tell her to focus, she'll, most of the time she'll concentrate on you and it gives you her attention. Penny, up. Get off. Good girl. And then you also saw in the beginning, we also say up if we want her to jump into our arms. Yeah. That is more of a trick, so that begins the trick section. So that was trick number 1, up, where she jumps into our arms.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Penny.
Oh, Simeon's down here.
Penny, give me a hug.
Yeah, so give me a hug, she'll sit on your lap. Or if you're on
her front paws, front legs, like over your shoulders.
Yeah, so if she's on like a bed, then she'll jump onto your shoulders, but so she knows, well, Penny, sit. Shake. Other paw. Good girl. Okay. Penny, dance. Good girl. What other? We're teaching her like crawl and crawl is more of like hop around on the floor like a little frog, but yeah, that we didn't really teach her. She doesn't really know like roll over. Yeah, but we are in the process of training her with a lot of other things right now that are more important, like socialization and
muzzle.
Yeah, muzzle training and stuff, which she does. Do you have her muzzle? No. She also, so she knows different commands, like go to your kennel. She knows go home, so if we're outside, she'll go to the front door. She knows the word WALK. I'm not going to say it right now because she'll go crazy. Oh yeah, I'm teaching her touch right now.
See if she's...
I haven't done it. She doesn't know it. So I'm teaching her touch. That's where like she'll touch your hand or whatever. And that's again for more of getting her attention in a situation where she's distracted. And then, I mean, we say muzzle and she'll put her muzzle into the muzzle. That's what it is.
Take it.
And then, what else does she know? I mean, she knows lots of different words. She knows outside, she knows walk, she knows
treat.
Yeah, she knows treat, she knows supper, go home.
That's a good one.
All these words, she's looking at us like, oh my gosh.
That's a good girl. She's like, what do I do? What do you do?
You're a good girl.
Shake.
Can you other paw? Other paw. Other paw.
That's the
not
same.
the other
Oh yeah, she
one.
knows the word training. She gets very excited. Penny, training! Training!
She's like,
Yes, training! So this little ledge, let me show you. This is a tiny little ledge. It's just right here.
It's very steep.
We were down here once, and she completely just jumped up onto
Maybe
it.
let's-
Penny, up, up. No, okay, yeah. Okay, so if there's anything to jump on, she's gonna use. A lot of sass.
look, you can do that. That's just as high. Up, up.
Okay, one person. You need to get away, and then I'll do it. Penny, up, up. Okay, well, here, let's do this first. Penny, get down. Up, 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 up. Come on, up, up.
She's like, what is this?
Up, up. Good girl.
That is it for her tricks.
Wait, let's go to your kennel. Penny, go to your kennel.
Go to your kennel.
Good girl.
Goodbye.